Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday 21st July 2020 and yesterday you were given the homework to write down the full form of the contractions on workbook. So let's see if you have written the correct full form. Alright, so take out page number 18 of your workbook and you were given to practice as homework J to O. From J to O part was your homework. So let's take a look at the full form. They are, can't, cannot, isn't, is not. It's the negative. How do you identify the negative? आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि ये negative है? Because it ends with T and N. NT. NT makes it negative. Is not, M, couldn't, could not. N, mustn't, must not. O, shouldn't, should not. So I'm sure all of you have written the correct full forms. So let's move towards today's topic. Alright, today we are going to learn about using can't, couldn't, won't and would not. Alright, these are the short forms as you know that. अब आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये short forms हैं, ये contractions हैं. How do you identify these? With the help of apostrophe. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे apostrophe है and ये एक short form है. Alright, so let me read these examples to you. I can't go out to play. I couldn't go out to play. I won't go out to play. I wouldn't go out to play. Alright, do you understand the meaning of these sentences? Alright, these almost have the same meaning because हर sentence ये बता रहा है कि आप खेलने के लिए बाहर नहीं जा सकते. But only the difference is with the helping verb. Auxiliary verbs सिर्फ वो different हैं. For example, here in first one sentence, can't, couldn't, won't and wouldn't. The difference is of helping verbs. Can't, couldn't, won't and wouldn't. सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये difference है. Otherwise meaning same है. Otherwise sentence same चीज़ discuss कर रहा है कि I can't go out to play. जो subject है I, जो first person है वो बाहर खेलने के लिए नहीं जा सकता. So what is the difference? Can't. Can't means कि मैं बाहर खेलने के लिए नहीं जा सकता. This is the present. And couldn't. Couldn't is the past form of can't. Can't is the present and couldn't is the past. Won't. What is the full form of won't? Do you remember that? Alright, that's great. Won't. Won't has a full form. Let me show you this chart once again. Won't. Won't means will not. Won't means will not. And wouldn't means would not. And you see that? Can't. Can't means cannot. So these are the short forms और ये इनकी full form है. Alright. So अब हमने इनको determine करना है अपने tense के लिए. As I told you, can't is the present. It is used for the present, something which is happening at the present. And couldn't is used for the past. मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकता. I couldn't go out to play. मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकता था. I won't go out to play. मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जाऊंगा because won't is the short form of will not. Wouldn't is the short form of would not. मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकूंगा. Alright, now let me show you the workbook. हमने अपनी workbook पे yesterday we discussed these short forms. You remember? These are the contractions and these are the full form. हमने यहाँ पे contractions discuss की थी. Couldn't, could not. You remember that? Won't, will not. Right? So these are the full forms. These are the full forms and these are the contractions, short forms. So similarly, आज हम इसको यहाँ पे अपने workbook पे practice करेंगे. Please open up the workbook page number 16. Alright, first of all, write down the day, Tuesday, 21st July 2020, and let's read the statement first. Fill in the blanks with can't, couldn't, won't, and wouldn't. So let me highlight the words for you. So It will help you to remember efficiently. Can't. Alright. Then couldn't. As I told you that couldn't is the past of can't and can't is the present. Won't. Won't means, won't is the short form of, yes, won't is the short form of will not, and wouldn't is the past form of will not. So now what we are going to do, that first of all we will read the statement, then we will fill up the statements. A, can you lift the box? You see which punctuation is it? Yes, this is the question mark. So it indicates the question. This statement is asking something to you. No. यहाँ पे negative है. Negative means यहाँ पे use of not है. Negative बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. These are the negative sentences. क्योंकि आप देख रहे हैं हर short form में, हर contraction में not use हुआ है. Cannot, could not, will not and would not. No, I can't. So no, I can't. Can यहाँ पे represent कर रहा है present को. Alright? Can किसको represent कर रहा है? Present को. Now yesterday. Yesterday indicates something which happened in the past. Yesterday the boy couldn't lift the box. As I told you that couldn't is the past form of can't and wouldn't is the past form of will not. जहाँ पे can आएगा उसका past form could आएगा. Alright, जहाँ पे will not होगा उसका past form would not होगा. Alright, so yesterday indicates the matter of yesterday. So let's highlight this one. Can't and here couldn't. Alright, next. Yesterday the boy couldn't lift the box. B, will you post this letter? Again, this is the question. Will. So, negative. We are writing the answers in negative. No, I won't. I won't means I will not. जी नहीं, मैं नहीं करूँगा. Yesterday the girl wouldn't post the letter. Wouldn't. What is the past form of won't? Yes, absolutely. Wouldn't. So let's highlight this one as well. Wouldn't. Won't. Won't is the short form of will not. And what is the past of will not? Wouldn't. Alright. Yesterday the girl wouldn't post the letter. Alright. Now next we have, let's talk about the children, what they are saying. Now these are the speech bubbles. You see, these are the speech bubbles, and let's read what these children are talking. This is Danish. You see, this is the picture of Danish. What do you see? What happened to his arm? It looks like that he has got broken arm. So let's read what he is saying. I can't go out to play. This is Amina. Let's see. Let's read what is she saying. I won't go out to play. Do you see any short forms here? Yes, absolutely. These are negative. Why these are negative? Because we have used not here. यहाँ पे not use हो रहा है. Can't, cannot, won't, will not. Alright. So won't is the future and can't is the present. Right? Will not and cannot. मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकता. And here Amna is saying that मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जाऊंगी. Right? Can't, full form हम यहाँ पे write कर लेते हैं. Can, not. This is the full form. And won't, will, not. Right? Will not is the full form and won't is the short form. Alright, now let's move to page number 17. Alright. This is Basit, and let's read what is he saying. I can't sweep the floor. Nabil, he's saying, this is Nabil. You see, he's holding a ball foot. It seems like he's holding a football at his back. I won't sweep the floor. Nabil is saying that he won't sweep the floor. Umair, Ali, we won't go to sleep. Because Umair and Ali both, it makes a plural, so here we use a pronoun we. We won't go to sleep. So let's highlight. Can't means cannot, won't means will not, and won't means will not. These are the contractions. Can't means नहीं कर सकता. I can't sweep the floor. Sweep means clean. Sweep means clean. Why Basit cannot clean the sweep the floor? Yes, because he has got broken leg, you see. All right, and now let's attempt question number 3. Yes, this is the exercise. More practice. We are practicing wouldn't, couldn't, and can't and won't. Answer these questions about the sentences given in exercise 2. Now you see exercise 2 में we were given with these pictures with the speech bubbles. अब हमने with the help of these speech bubbles we will write down the answers to these questions. Now let's see how can we do this. A. Could Danish go out to play? Again you see the punctuation mark. Yes, that's a question. Now let's write the answer. No, he couldn't. He couldn't. No है यहाँ पे, it means कि negative आएगा यहाँ पे, and could है तो answer भी similarly couldn't में आएगा. Danish couldn't go out to play. Alright, so let's highlight couldn't here. Couldn't and couldn't. Next we have B. Excuse me. आपने दानिश को देखा यहाँ पे? You see Danish here? Alright. Next we have to write about Amina. Would Amina go out to play? No, she wouldn't. Amina wouldn't go out to play. Would, wouldn't. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे negative जवाब दे रहे हैं. For example, if somebody asks you, can you write a letter? No, I can't. So यहाँ पे negative answer आ रहा है. Negative हम यहाँ पे reply कर रहे हैं. Alright. C we have Basit. Could Basit sweep the floor? This is the Basit, you see. There is a picture related to Basit, right? So, could Basit sweep the floor? No, he couldn't. After that full stop, then Basit couldn't sweep the floor. Alright children, let me tell you one thing which is very important. Do not forget to write down proper noun with capital letters. आपने capital letters write करना है proper noun के लिए. For example, Basit, Amina. आप देख रहे हैं? These are the proper nouns and proper nouns begin with capital letter. So make sure about your punctuation is written correctly. आपकी punctuation proper होनी चाहिए. Full stop, questions mark, everything. You see? Next we have Nabil. Where is Nabil? Yes, this is Nabil. You see he's holding a football. Alright. Would Nabil sweep the floor? Again, question mark at the end. No. क्योंकि हम negative answer कर रहे हैं, नहीं में जवाब दे रहे हैं. No, he wouldn't. Nabil wouldn't sweep the floor. What is the meaning of sweep? As I told you earlier, sweep means to clean. No, he wouldn't. Nabil wouldn't sweep the floor. E we have Umair and Ali. Would Umair and Ali go to sleep? Question. No, they wouldn't. Umair and Ali wouldn't go to sleep. Alright. अब ये देख रहे हैं? Comma, after no you would put comma. Alright. And then हर contraction में short form में आपने apostrophe भी write करनी है. So be very careful about your punctuation, capitalization and spellings. आपने इसको carefully write करना है. So यहाँ पे हम highlight कर लेते हैं all the contractions, all the short forms के यहाँ पे किधर कौन सा punctuation हमने use करना है. Alright, so that's how we will answer in negative. हम using not कोई करते हुए using not हमने किया है और हमने negative में सब answers write किए हैं by using the contractions of wouldn't, won't, couldn't and can't. Alright, before closing, let's recap what we have learned today. Today's lesson we have learnt about can't, couldn't, won't and wouldn't. So can't is the present and couldn't is the past for can't. Won't means will not. Won't is the contraction, short form of will not, and wouldn't is used for the past. Alright. Couldn't is the past of can't and wouldn't is the past for won't. Alright. And after that we have completed the blanks by using the appropriate short form. Short forms means contraction. Now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is you have to learn and practice using can't, couldn't, won't, would and won't. आपने इसको learn करना है, इसको practice करना है. Similarly, as I told you that can't is the present and couldn't is the past for of can't. won't means will not, and wouldn't is the past of won't. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video. Look after yourself, stay home, stay safe.